Hi guys, welcome back to the Barnes Twins channel. It's mommy here. So we're gonna do an unboxing of a booster seat. They don't like to lay down anymore, so I'm gonna try out these booster seat, not only to feed them but to put them into sitting on a regular day, because 6 months photo shoot coming up and I would like them to be sitting up properly so no money will go to waste. Plus I got them these little mats because Amor tends to fall when trying to sit up, so I put some over there also because she actually almost hit her head the other day. Mommy called her. So yeah, that's that. We're gonna unbox these. Pink for Amor and blue for Amir. Actually, I tried the safety first. The rest was too expensive. High chair was too expensive. I have twins, so I gotta watch the budget. Captain, fix it, mommy. Daddy currently not living with us, so mommy gotta do everything. Daddy lives in Jamaica and we live in America, so mommy gotta do the building until daddy gets here. Yeah, I will get to meet daddy soon too. We'll do our first trip. We're planning to do a nice little vlog for y'all then. So this is pretty easy. You just snap the foots in. I'm very happy it's easy because the patience, it ain't there for me. Not at all. And I'm happy Amir not here because he would have been crying for me to pick him up. He's actually by my friend next door. He's on his way over. So I have to hurry up and build these. And I hate reading instructions. So I'm just going to be here fixing and hoping I'm doing it the right way. Yep, that's it. And what are these? I guess these are extra seat belts. But my girl ain't fat, so she ain't gonna need all of that. My girl is nice and slim. She a little chunky, but we ain't gonna go there. Yep. There are moments ago where I don't know what I'm doing. Guess we gotta go for the instructions. Instruction. How you go? How are this? Oh, the belt. I have to strap it on a chair. I'm not gonna do all of them something there. They must sit on a girl, and I'm sit on a girl and feed them. So we don't need all of them strap them. You just need to figure out with this. Oh, this is for the foot. Good say, oh, mash up my baby them something. Wrong way. Don't judge me. Sometimes the mommy is not kicking right away, you know? So, see? Special, bad. I can't really drop mine, she bought me. Nasa uncle tayo, I'll get over it. There you go, mommy got it.
Actually, Uncle
Ty help us. it doesn't matter. Mommy got it. That's a more chair. So now that we know how to do it, it should be pretty easy for Amir. And guys, he's here. They back from their little day out. So let me hurry up with his before he start with his nonsense. Cause he promised their daddy he gonna take care of them until he get here. So I guess he's keeping up to his job. I told y'all, Mommy got it. Booyah! Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you can know when we drop more videos. So this is the unboxing for their little booster chairs and their little mats to play on. So see you guys. Bye. So guys, this is the outcome of the 2 little booster chairs that I was putting together. And as you can see, they loving it. Amir excited. He's seeing his bottle coming. He know it's food time. Right, Papa? Food time.
What they drinking on it?
Yeah!